Hey Nash, what should we make?
We haven't gone shooting in forever, but that makes me think of barbecue shotgun shells. You should make those.
All right, let's make some of those barbecue shotgun shells. It may still be hot outside, but preseason NFL football has already started and tailgating season is upon us. The actual season is about to start real soon here, so we're gonna start doing some tailgate recipes for stuff you can cook at a tailgate, cook for a tailgate, bring to a tailgate, bring over to your friend's house to watch the game, whatever, kind of our tailgate series. So today we're making chaos shotgun shells. It's gonna be a big old manicotti pasta, stuffed pasta. We're gonna stuff it with a mixture of kind of ground beef, cheese, jalapenos, that kind of stuff. Wrap it in bacon. We're gonna smoke it, grill it low and slow. It's gonna be freaking good. So let's go ahead and kick off this tailgate season with our chaos shotgun shells. Let's go. All right, so essentially what shotgun shells are is kind of a meatloaf-ish sort of a mixture piped into manicotti tubes, wrapped in bacon, and then grill or smoke that low and slow, brush it with some barbecue sauce, pack it up, and you get these little, they look like shotgun shells. Perfect tailgating food, perfect little appetizer food. We start with a pound of lean ground beef. And yeah, we want it lean because we don't want to add extra moisture to this. 1 pound of Italian sausage. You could buy the stuff in the casings, but you're gonna have to take it out of the casing. So if you can find the stuff that has no casings, that's probably better. So I'm just gonna combine this real quick. Man overboard, man overboard. Now we add some tomato paste, some diced, this is 2 hatch chilies and 2 or 3 jalapenos. And I kind of squeeze the moisture out of them because like I said, we're not trying to add extra moisture to this. Some shredded cheese, cheddar's fine, Colby Jack, whatever you want, and some grated Parmesan. Add your favorite barbecue rub to this. This is my homemade stuff. And we mix this all together. Trying to make a mess just like me. All right, so now we gotta pipe this. So I got this little piping bag. If you don't have anything like this, you can just use a Ziploc bag and cut the corner of it. So there we go. So here's a manicotti noodle. Here's our piping bag. Let's see if we can make this work. There's probably an easier way to do this, but I just don't know what it is. All right, there's gotta be an easier way to do this, but I'm pot committed now. All right, there's our first one. I think I'm gonna ditch this piping bag idea and just try doing it like this. That'll work. Let's see if this works. There we go. Just gotta find your groove and a little bit of leverage. And that perfectly filled all but one of 2 boxes of manicotti. So there you go. All right, so now we wrap these guys in bacon. So let's take one here, start like this, and then just, oh, look at that. That's perfect. Okay, and then we just wash, rinse, and repeat. And you just kind of try and cover up the whole noodle, yeah, as best you can. And look at that. I got 2 pieces of bacon left. And these manicotti noodles kind of perfectly, 1 piece of regular bacon fits each one perfectly. So just make sure we did, I think 24 here. So I had an open package of bacon and then I cracked open a fresh one. So we used about 1.5 pounds of bacon. Anyways, so there we go. Now these are all ready. Now, unlike jalapeno poppers or something else, we can, but if you want good results, we don't want to cook these right away. You want to throw them in the fridge and let them set up. So that way it lets the noodles soften. So by the time we cook them, so you want to let them sit for at least 4 hours. Overnight might be easier, but at least 4 hours. Otherwise, you're going to get tough noodles. This is what we got. I'm going to throw these guys in the fridge and we'll come back and cook them in about 4 hours. And our guys are ready for the grill. So we're just going to take these guys and put them on over here like this. Indirect heat. Now we're going to close the lid, let these guys cook on indirect heat. I got my little thermometer in there. Probably go about 45 minutes to an hour, and then we'll brush some barbecue sauce on them, finish them off, and then they'll be ready. All right, we're getting to the point where we can start basting these guys. I just have a mixture here of barbecue sauce and gochujang. Now we can close this lid, let them cook for a little bit more, and then we'll flip them and baste them again. Now we can flip these guys and baste them again. We close this up, let them finish. All right, and now our guys are ready to pull, so we can go ahead and kill the heat. And that's what we got. Hey, bud, we're about to do a taste test. You ready? Are you ready? And there we have our Chaos shotgun shells. Woohoo! Time for a bite. Cheers. I've never had these before. I knew they'd be good. They're really, really, really good. I mean, these would be an awesome tailgate appetizer, or just an appetizer in general, just something to serve to people or make as like just finger food for like literally any occasion. But the noodles, not soggy. It's got enough bite to keep everything together, but it's also not crunchy or too chewy or anything. That meat is amazing. It's a little bit spicy because we put all those peppers in there. So if you're not into spice, maybe back off on that or leave those out. Throw in some onions or something else. And then that cheese, and then the bacon, and then the barbecue sauce with that gochujang. Another thing you could back off if you're not into spice. But if you haven't tried gochujang, it's got a lot of depth of flavor. It's not that spicy, so give it a try. But anyways, these are awesome. I highly recommend trying them out, adding them to your rotation for tailgating season. But hey, let's see what Nash thinks. Hey bud, look what we got for you here. We got these little shotgun shells that you wanted. Oh look, you're already you're drooling. You're literally making a puddle. Well, here you go. What do you think, bud?
Dang, see, that's how pasta should be served.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
Fortune favors the bold, so these bold flavors should garner lots of fortune.
You're so smart. Are you sure you're a dog? Another killer recipe. This one will kick off. I mean, we've made plenty of stuff during the summer with all the jalapeno poppers and the chorkin bombs and the, we've made plenty of stuff that would be awesome for tailgating, but this kicks off our first official tailgating video talking about tailgating. But again, it's not just for tailgating. It's anything that, you know, you need or want appetizers for, you know, something to just kind of put out and serve people or bring to someone's house if you're, you know, going to a party or going to watch a game, whatever. Anyways, add this to your rotation. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Appreciate you all. If you wouldn't mind taking a second to like, share, and subscribe, it would help us out. Really appreciate that. If you want notifications every time we drop a new video, go ahead and hit that notification bell. If there's anything you want me to cook, you want me and Nash to taste, drop that down in the comments or head over to our website, timschaoskitchen.com. Send us a message there. Hey, just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now. Thank you for your courage. Until next time, peace.